Welcome to ITDESKTV, and let's talk about tech news. So you see, the updates that are coming out right now, they aren't just for geeks, and but they affect your wallet, your phone, and they're affecting your privacy. Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about today is Samsung's new phones, which come with the built-in AI assistants. So the devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Flip 7 and the Watch 8. Why it matters is that it's launching these phones with the Gemini AI. And this Gemini AI, it can write messages, plan your day, translate in real time. And if you're upgrading soon, you can expect phones to feel more like personal assistant. What you also have to remember is that privacy. When an AI is on your phone, yeah, okay? So how does this impact you? You see, everyday users will now rely more on AI for daily tasks. So no tech skills will be needed, but privacy and battery life still unknown. Privacy, okay? Now the second one I'm going to talk about today is the fake VPN apps, which I spoke about on my last video. These VPNs they're out of control. They're stealing your data. Dozens of fake VPNs are on the App Store, and those are stealing personal information instead of protecting you. And when the last check was done, they were downloaded millions of times before being banned from the store. What's the impact of all of that? You see, people who think they're staying safe online just may be exposing their bank logins and their location instead, because they have that VPN that they downloaded. So what did I say? Stick with the trusted VPNs, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and at this point, I'm just going to tell you, avoid the free ones completely. Now the other story we got is the robotaxis, and they're live now in more cities, for example in the United States. You see, when I was in California last time, one of those taxis took me to the airport. Felt a little bit strange and weird, but it took me on the highway. I was starting to wonder why I even went into it, but it took me through the highway and I got to the airport and I was just fine. Jury's still out. I'm going to tell you about a browser. It's called Perplexity. It's an AI browser that could replace Google. I want you guys to check it out. Perplexity AI browser. I'm going to do a video on that to have a look at it and see how feasible it is for everyday tasks. Now, this could change the way how people search for recipes, jobs, homework, everything. Now, the UK moves public services to the cloud. Now, think about that in the UK. So what if Jamaica follows? What's happening? See, the UK government is shutting down outdated systems and training 100,000 plus workers to use cloud platforms. So the jury's in, they've made their decision, and the UK is going full cloud. I mean, Jamaica might just do that soon. So look out for that. So if this country follows, just expect online access to IDs, benefits, passports, but also more tracking and job changes in the public office. Now here's a bonus tip. I want you guys to delete these 3 apps this month. Here are the 3 apps. Free flashlight apps with ads, you're going to get rid of it. If you have a cleaner or a booster app, they're fake. Get rid of all of those. And the suspicious keyboard apps that's asking for full access, you're going to get rid of that one immediately. Now, the future of tech isn't coming, it's already here. So from your pocket to your job, these changes will affect how you live, spend, and protect your information. Like, share, subscribe for more tech news that matters to real people. ITDESK.TV, unlocking doors.
Yo, high six. Now no put up his string.
Hey, thank you.
can't work out. Stop here, who that pon the line? ITDESKTV in the place. You tech for your brain, bike for your soul. IT run road. IT desk, you know we dip on top. Taking on my mind, we never gonna stop. From scam defense to air attack. Level up your brain every time you lock. Plug in, stay sharp, get ready for the right. ITDESKTV with the worldwide. Plug in, level up, learn smart pon ITDESK. We link AI code, scam defense, keep your data in check. From yard to group, man I take boss. Press play, no stress. ITDESKTV, make your knowledge connect. That's all it. So food run, no food, no turn all it. Yeah, you move fast. Scam them, I get smart, but me there for show you how to take part. Gadget review, apps them you. Me drop the tech truth like a live preview. ITDESK, you know we up on top. Taking on my mind, we never gonna stop. From scam defense to air attack. Level up your brain every time you lock. Plug in, unlocking doors, you're ready for the right. ITDESKTV with the worldwide. Plug in, level up, learn smart pon ITDESK. We link AI code, scam defense, keep your data in check. From yard to globe, man I take boss. Press play, no stress. ITDESKTV, make your knowledge connect. Two clothes and no love for no turn, no net. You don't know. Every week, me drop knowledge like files in a folder. Subscribe like up and stay wired. ITDESKTV, smart sharp, secured.